What are you doing with all those Bobos?
I'm getting E.
You're getting E?
Yeah.
What are you doing lining them all up like that? How come you're lining them up?
1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2. 2 Bobos.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Bobos.
Yeah. Pick yours.
Are they gonna race?
Yeah. Okay.
Say, let's race, Bobos. Whoa.
I'm waiting.
We got a new mattress over there. It's just part of the mess of my house
What?
until we get it put away.
What?
What? I'm talking to the camera. Just normal living here, not fancying anything up in this old house. Cha-Cha, you need to go outside. Old dog needs help getting up. They're all gonna race?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Then mommy and mom. Oh. I'm looking.
Yay! Good job.
Mama, wait.
Okay, I'm getting old dog up. Come on, Cha-Cha.
Eat. Mama, wait. Eat.
He's stuck?
Yeah.
What's wrong with him?
Mama. I get on the way.
Are you gonna fix him?
Yeah.
What's wrong with him? One's Martin and one's E. Okay, how do you fix them?
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Between the roller?
Yeah. Uh-oh. You're racing.
Ooh.
I got Goofy.
Oh, sweet baby. Oh, sweet baby. Nice, Goofy.
Mama, I want to race too.
Okay.
What? Now. I got E. What? I got Martin. Mama, now you wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mama, wait. I got Cookie.
You got Cordy.
Cookie, wait. I'm
Okay,
wait.
let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2 Bobo.
Yeah, 6 Bobos. That's a 5 and another 1. Yeah, high five. Knuckles.
Why got your elbow? Why got your apple?
This is my morning before even coffee.
Mama, I'm pretty.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna go let the dogs out.